Dragon's eating. He doesn't like the sunflowers. He's been being ornery. Won't step up for me. And I'm switching, or I usually feed Zupreme. But I mixed it with the Sun Conur's food so I could switch it. So now Dragon is eating seeds again. But he used to not like the banana shaped Zupreme food. And I mixed it with that. And he ate all of the Zupreme, all kinds of it. Even the banana shaped ones. Didn't you, Dragon? Dragon bird. And I don't have my Sun Conure anymore because he went to a new home. Because with Storm being out of town and stuff, and foster dogs and everything, I just don't have time for pets that really need a lot of work. Sunny needed a lot of work. So he went to a new home. I'm amazed at how they eat with their feet and stuff. Oh, he dropped it. But I'll never give rid of Dragon Bird. He's my baby. I hand fed him and everything. Get no Dragon Bird. Dropped it again. I think maybe I've got too many toys and stuff in his cage, and that's why he doesn't like to come out and play with me. He's got too much toys and stuff in his cage. I did take some of them out today. Dragon! Mommy's Dragon Bird! I want to teach him to give kisses. I've been trying and he won't do it. Say bye. Bye, Dragon Bird.